Ever since I've had my Civic here, it has had this horrible eBay whatever exhaust on it that has been collapsed and been just sounding terrible. I don't really blame the pipes on it, I blame the muffler because the inside is just all rusted out and it's completely destroyed. Now, if you guys have been watching my content the last couple of weeks, you guys would know that I've been learning how to weld. And I said I want to do one welding project at least to the car before we get it painted and everything. So I thought, why not weld a whole new muffler on there and make a custom exhaust for myself? What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I should have brought the book around here. Today, we are going to be installing this, and we are going to be welding it on ourselves. As you can see, we got no clamps or anything. We just have this piece as an adapter to, well, weld it on. I have no clue what brand of exhaust is already on the car, but we are installing a Spec D muffler on it, and I'm assuming this might already be a Spec D exhaust. I don't really know, but the sizes seem to be pretty universal. So the first thing we gotta do is take this old exhaust off, lop it off, and get welding. And just like that, it's out. But as you guys can see, this thing is full of holes and it's rusty and it's just not doing what it's got to be doing no more. Now the plan is to lop it off like right here, take these off and just weld it all in. I had no bolts holding this thing in, which I find kind of funny, so I'm going to, you know, fix that obviously. But we're going to get to cutting this thing off, welding the new one on. It should be easy as that. If you've never played with one of these things before, I advise you get it. They're a lot of fun. So my thought process behind this is if it comes out good, that's awesome. If it comes out bad, probably still better than what I had before. So it's always gonna be a win-win here. On one of my other videos, I did get a lot of comments about cleaning off the surface before I weld, so I am wire brushing it with my Dremel. All the places I'm going to weld to make sure that there's no extra contaminants or polish or anything. Hopefully that makes it healthier. We're gonna go ahead, lay a few tacks on the pipe, and then get a good bead going around. I did have two holes I had to patch up, but boys, I am proud. This is probably the cleanest welds I've done. So let me do a little bit of a thing. I was so excited to be working on the car today, I completely forgot to put my microphone on my camera. They're not the most professional welds in the world, but there's no holes, and I did it. There's a lot of slag on there, which I don't really know how to get off, but I'm proud of what I did. This looks pretty half decent. Again, if I got an exhaust like this in the mail, I'd be like, okay, I'm not really happy about that, but I did it, so I'm very happy about it. Now, thinking about how I did this, I probably should have put the adapter on here and then put the muffler on, but I didn't do that. So we're gonna do this kind of backwards now. So now we gotta weld it to this. We have a slight issue right here. I had gotten this adapter to make this a little bit easier on me, and it turns out that my pipe isn't the right size. So we are still going to make it work. That pipe actually fits inside of the muffler pipe. So there's gonna be no escapage, but we're gonna try it out anyways here. So what I'm trying to do is essentially fill the gaps, and I don't really know how to put down a thick bead. So this is gonna be a struggle, and I might fuck some things up, but I mean, right now it is technically connected, and there's gonna be no gas escaping unless there's like backflow, which is gas, so I really shouldn't do that, but we're gonna keep trying. Putting the adapter on the muffler, mint. Putting the rest of the pipe on the adapter, not so good because we had to do a lot of bridging and I'm not good at that yet. So it looks like crap, and there's a couple pinholes in there, but as I said, that apparently the exhaust on here was a 2 1/4, not a 2 1/2 like I thought it was. So it just slid right into the muffler anyway, so it's held in place. We shouldn't have any issues. So now we gotta mock it up to the car so we can find out how to put the hangers on there. I had this great idea in my head of how this was gonna look, and I didn't measure, and I got the opposite of what I actually wanted here. What I wanted was a little bit of poke out the back, and what I got, I thought I was freaking onto something, guys. It's so far in there. Oh man, I freaking messed up. We're going for the stealth look now, apparently. This is gonna melt my bumper, I already know it. Maybe I should just do a bumper cut while I'm at it. For all the people that said you should probably practice more and learn some more technique before doing your own exhaust and maybe learn more about exhaust, you were probably right. I am understanding why people charge so much to make exhausts. This, I'm hoping that these go in the right spot. I tried measuring them out, but you know, I might have messed it up. But we're gonna get rid of the silencer because we don't need silencers where we're going. We like it a little bit on the louder side. This muffler is smaller than the old one. Hopefully it sounds good. I don't know. I didn't do sound clips with the old one, but maybe we'll do some sound clips with this one and hopefully it comes out all right. As I said, we don't need no freaking silencers and we're getting rid of that thing. Welds look like crap, but hopefully it holds. It should hold. They seem like strong welds, but it's all about learning. So we're gonna, I guess, try to put her in and see how she sounds. I don't know how I measured the thing so bad. It's so off. I don't even know how to fix this. I literally put the things on backwards, and now I gotta figure out how to fix this. There might be 2 holes on top of the muffler where I ripped them out, but they're in there now and they're holding up. So I gotta find 2 bolts to make this work because there was no bolts actually holding the exhaust together, so I gotta go find those. Well, moment of truth, guys. Time to see how she sounds. Overall, I would say it sounds pretty much the same as the old one. This one is a little bit less raspy, which I like. And I'm gonna have to take it out and see how it sounds. I'm a little bit disappointed that I didn't get the poke I wanted, but the next time we do this, which there will be a next time, so I do it the right way, I'm gonna make sure I get the right pieces, because now that I know that it's a 2 1/4 inch pipe and not a 2.5 inch pipe, the welds look horrible. But next time I can make them look really good. And yeah, if that adapter was right, that weld would look so good. And then I think it was easier, honestly, putting the hangers in the car than jacking that up and then welding the hangers on, because I didn't do that first time and I ended up doing it backwards, and that's why I messed up. The first drive, it definitely sounds like so much better. Like when I was doing the little revs, yeah, it sounded a little bit raspy, but like it sounds very smooth and really good right now. And like the rasp was a lot less than it was before, so that's an A+ in my book so far. I think Hondas just have raspy notes in general because it's still raspy. It's still got its like signature Honda sound, but it does sound better, which I'm happy about. But it still sounds like a Honda. Like stepping on it just a little bit. Sounds much better than it did before, so I'm pretty hyped about it. Just gotta wait a couple days and I guess I'll review it to see if my welds fall off or anything, but so far my welds seem pretty strong. I've hit bumps and they're still going strong. That straight piped Escalade was trying to like race me the entire time, and I'm surprised that the little Civic over here caught up or was like keeping up with it. I think it was loud and didn't sound good, but the little Civic did pretty good. Florida's wild. Overall, I'm pleased. I'm happy that I was able to do this myself and not pay somebody to put a new muffler on. Yeah, it's not perfect. Yeah, it's not beautiful, and it might fall off, but I did it myself, and that's the thing that matters the most. Learning to weld has been amazing so far. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I'm not done welding anytime soon, and again, once I get an actual exhaust for this car, I'm gonna have to do welding on it. So this is a good test run already because I have to weld anyways. Told you guys I wanted to like test myself, and there we go. We test myself, even though it doesn't look amazing, but we still tested ourselves and I'm happy about it. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So I hope you guys are excited about it as I am. But comment, like, subscribe, keep doing that fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.